Okay, I'm gonna do this real quick because this camera keep stopping and saying automatically like stopped or some shit, so I'm gonna just go real quick. Hey guys, and welcome back to another one of my videos. My name is Imani, and today we're going to be filming a What I Got for Christmas 2019. So I really wasn't expecting to get much because I got most of my Christmas gifts early, for real. Not even gonna lie. Like, I got myself this 50-inch TV, smart TV that's right over here that y'all can't see, but that's what I got. I'm trying to check to make sure the thing didn't stop with my phone. But yeah, I got myself this 50-inch TV for Christmas, and then I'm proud of myself because I still live with my parents, and I'm trying to like take the steps to move out. So that was a big step for me, because when I move out, I want to have a nice TV. I don't want to have like no little TV in my house. But yeah, so that was the first gift I got for myself. And then my boyfriend actually got me some AirPods. These are the ones that I wanted, and he got them for me for Christmas. He got them for me early because I went to Florida last week and I just got back. But he gave them to me early so I could use them on the plane. And I was actually really excited because I wanted to buy these so bad. Yeah, and I've just been keeping them in the box. I gotta stop saying but I've been keeping them in the box. Let me make sure this thing is still going. Because I don't have a case. Like, I have this case, but this isn't protective. And I feel like if I drop this, that's it. That's it. So I really wanted to get a case. My mom got me a case for Christmas, but since I didn't have one during that time, I've just been keeping them in the box. Safest place to be for right now. So we'll just move on to the case. My mom got me this leather soft case for AirPods. I haven't taken it out yet. I think it's so super cute. Like, it's so cute and little. Oh my god. I don't know what I'm gonna have them on. Like, you know, I don't want to put them on my keys. But I'm just gonna, they're so cute. I'm gonna put it in here. Oh, it fits nice and snug. This is so friggin' cute. Oh my god, it's so cute. Like, this is so cute and little. But I really love this. Too. I don't know what I'm gonna keep it on, but I like that I have a protective case for the AirPods. But I'm just gonna keep this in my bag for right now. I'm gonna find like a lanyard or something to put it on. I got that. Oh, my dad, he got me these diamond earrings. Let me see if I can take them off and show you guys. I think it just stops recording if I'm not moving or anything. But I'm not gonna take the other one out because it's hard to take out and put on. But this is what they look like. I hope this is in focus. If not, I'm just gonna insert a picture of them. But yeah, they're lions. It's like a lion face with like little diamonds all around. I really love them, and I'm gonna wear them every friggin' day. And then my mom, she got me this case to keep the earrings in, and I think it's so gorgeous. Next, my mom got me some leggings from Marshalls. I really like Marshalls leggings. But they got pockets and stuff, and then they have the zip up pocket right here, so I can put my little AirPod case right in here. But yeah, they got really deep pockets in them, and it has like a really cool like design. I don't know. But yeah, that's what they look like. And the next, she got me a pair of boyfriend jeans from New York & Company. I always buy my jeans from New York & Company. I love them. They're such a really good brand. They're expensive, but it's worth it. Then my mom got me this Halo phone, iPhone, and iPad and iPod charging thing. So it just looks like this. Pink. I don't know if this is sticky notes on the back here, but just making sure it's still on. But yeah, so I got that. I need a charger, a phone charger, because I go out a lot and I'm always in need of a portable charger because my phone always dies. Next, she got me another pair of regular jeans. These are my favorite ones. The light wash, these are my favorite jeans from there. The ultimate stretch, because baby, when you got a booty like mine, you gonna need that stretch. I'm telling you. And then she got me some dark wash jeans. These are really cute. I never had a pair like this. So, and these jeans are so comfortable and they last like forever. I love those jeans. New York Company all the way. And then she got me some Bath and Body Works products. 1000 Wishes. This is my favorite. My favorite. Lotion, body gel, spray, all that stuff. I love all of that. And then she got me a super soft foot cream because in the winter here your skin gets so dry because it's so freaking cold and my feet get the driest. And so I'm gonna use this. This is like really nice. And then she got me a on the go 1000 Wishes. And then she got me the big bottle of 1000 Wishes. I love Bath and Body Works. You'll catch me at that sale. End of the year sale, that's where I will be at. And lastly, actually no, this isn't my last gift. But she got me this travel makeup bag because I travel with a lot of makeup. Like I have a lot of makeup. And I need to have every last piece with me for some odd reason. I don't know why. And if I don't have it, I freak out. So she got me a bag that's big enough to carry my makeup palettes, my sprays, and even like little body lotions because it comes with like tubes here. The travel size tubes that can pass through TSA. So I'm going to put this in my carry-on. And I've been traveling a lot lately this year. And hopefully 2020 I will be traveling even more because that's one of my dreams. I want to travel. So I've been traveling a lot my entire life. But next year I just want to travel at least 4 or 5 times to different places. So yeah. That's what I got from my parents and everything. I didn't get a lot. I'm fine with that. I wasn't expecting much because I got a lot of my Christmas gifts early. But yeah, and my aunt, she got me, let me go get it. Okay, so I'm back. So I got a couple gifts, some more gifts, and it's just 3 more. So what I got was this Hope in a Jar by Philosophy, and it's from my aunt. I'm really happy she got me this because I just ran out of face moisturizer. So this really is a good timing, and I'm glad she got this for me. I really love this Hope in a Jar by Philosophy. I've been using it for years, like since I lived in the Virgin Islands, and I moved here when I was like 14. So I think since I was 10 years old, I don't know, my mom's been using them for years, and I've just been hooked on them too. So yeah, I got that. And then I got this It Cosmetics mascara and eyeliner. I've never used It Cosmetics products before. Maybe I'll do a video on this. I've never used their stuff, so it'll be like a trying out It Cosmetics or something. I don't know. But yeah, that's all I got for Christmas this year for 2019. And, you know, I hope next year everyone has a great year. I know this year, 2019, oh my god, it felt like 4 years in one for me. I've been through so much stuff 2019. And, you know, I hope everyone has a great year. I hope everyone had a great holiday and spent some really good quality time with family members and their loved ones. I know I did, and I ate so good. I'm so full and tired now. I ate so good. It was so good. We had some like seafood and stuff. Girl. But anyway, I hope everyone has a great holiday, a great new year. I hope 2020 goes really well for everyone, including myself. I know it's my year. I know 2020 will be my year. Yes, I hope you guys stick around for future videos and keep watching and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I hope you guys had a great holiday. See you guys in the next one.